Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the presentation file very easy and very fast, and we will use two AIs to create this presentation. What the platform and how the step by step. So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. So the very first step you need to do is, of course, you need to prepare about the material that you would like to deliver to your audience. And if you would love to adjust the audience, then it's better to create the file also in another language in case that your audience is not in an English native, for example. And for summarize the material, then actually you can ask for this ChatGPT to summarize about the file or the material. For example, I asked for this ChatGPT to summarize or create me the point about this material. For example, I would like to present about the climate change in Southeast Asia in 2022. And here I ask for it to create the presentation script and of course the point that I will deliver. And these are the results after the generation. And since I have seen about this result, then I decided to only show this point, not this script or not including this script. And to make it easier to be generated, then I copy it first into my Microsoft Word. And after that, the next step, I will open the new tab and I will open this gamma.app. And to access it, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, for the new user, they usually will give you, if I'm not mistaken, it's about 400 credits. And since I have tried to generate the presentation file, so it has been decreased to become 360. And since we have prepared this material, then we can simply copy it. And I will go to this paste in text. You can just click it and paste the material. So as you can see here, to create the distinguish about the every single slide, then you need to add this 3 stripe here, so it can be divided into the several slides. And after that, you can go to scroll down and click this generate from notes or an outline. And after that, you can click this continue to prompt editor. And well, after you click this button, then it will bring you into this section. So this section will allow you to do the adjustment first. For example, if you would like to create the amount of text, then you can choose the minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive. And you can also see here that this presentation is being written for the policymaker, for example, the regional planners, etc. And also you can add the tone about how we will present this file or this material. And for example, I would like to present this material into the Indonesian speaker. So I will choose the Bahasa Indonesia here. And after that, you can also choose the visual. For example, I will choose this console. And after that, don't worry, because they will also give you or provide you the AI image to also support about the material that you would like to present there. And if you would like to add the extra keyword, then you can just add it add this here. And as you can see, that whole this slide contains about almost 400 words or character. And after that, you can, after you choose this adjustment, then if you would like to do the editing or add something, then you can simply click this one of the slide. For example, as you can see, it can be edited, but it is okay, it's already complete. Then you can go to the generate, and after that it will bring you into this result, and this is the result after the generation. As you can see, this already show you the picture and also how to present it into the points, and it is actually, and the picture is quite stunning and very supportive into our data that we would like to present. And let's say if you would like to download this file, then you can go to this share, click it, and you can go to the export and click this format. For example, if you would like to export to or download it into the PDF, then you can click this export to PDF. But don't worry, because you can download it into this format of PowerPoint, Google Slides, or into the PNGs. And after that, for example, I have tried to download it into this PowerPoint, then it's already downloaded here. And if you would like to open it into the PowerPoint, then you can just simply open it and do the enable editing. Then it is ready to be presented. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this AI, and if you find this video helpful for you, then don't forget to give the thumbs up, and also subscribe this channel. But if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.